Mediterranean monk seal. It has smooth, dark fur and gentle eyes. It lives in sea caves along the Mediterranean coast. It is very rare and endangered. It likes quiet, peaceful beaches. It swims slowly and carefully. In stories, it becomes the shy guardian of hidden caves. Caribbean monk seal extinct. It had smooth, dark fur and a rounded nose. It lived in warm Caribbean waters. It loved resting on sandy beaches. It hunted fish and octopus. It disappeared many years ago. In cartoons, it becomes a legendary spirit of the sea. Harbor seal. It has spotted gray fur and big dark eyes. It is curious but shy around humans. It loves resting on rocks and sandy shores. It swims gracefully underwater. It eats fish and shrimp. In stories, it is the adorable beach friend. Spotted seal. It has dark spots on light-colored fur. It lives in icy northern seas. It rests on floating ice. It dives deep for fish and crabs. It is quiet and gentle. In cartoons, it is the spotted snow bunny. Ribbon seal. It has a striking black body with white ribbon-like bands. It lives in the cold Bering Sea. It spends most of its time on drifting ice. It is shy and rarely seen. It swims fast and silently. In stories, it becomes the mysterious ribbon spirit. Baikal seal. It has a round body and shiny silver fur. It lives only in Lake Baikal, the deepest lake on Earth. It is one of the few freshwater seals. It dives deep for fish. It enjoys resting on ice. In cartoons, it is the cute freshwater explorer. South American fur seal. It has thick fur and strong flippers. It lives along rocky coasts of South America. It swims far into the open sea for food. It forms noisy groups on rocks. It enjoys playing in big waves. In stories, it becomes the fun-loving wave rider. Antarctic fur seal. It has large eyes and thick brown fur. It lives near icy Antarctic shores. It can be very fast on land and water. It eats krill and fish. It rests in big colonies. In cartoons, it becomes the energetic polar gymnast, crab-eating seal marine mammal. It has a sleek body and sharp teeth. It lives around Antarctica. It mostly eats krill, not crabs. It swims under the ice to find food. It is one of the most common Antarctic seals. In stories, it becomes the busy krill muncher. Southern elephant seal. It has a huge body and a big trunk-like nose. It is the largest seal in the world. It dives deeper than almost any mammal. It rests on beaches in giant groups. It fights loudly during mating season. In cartoons, it is the booming giant of the ocean shore, spectacled porpoise. It has dark gray skin with white patches around its eyes like glasses. It lives in cold southern oceans. It is shy and rarely seen by people. It swims quickly in deep water. It eats fish and squid. In stories, it becomes the cute porpoise with magical glasses. Burmeister's porpoise. It has a small, smooth black body. It lives near the coasts of South America. It is very quiet and avoids boats. It swims close to the surface to breathe. It eats small fish. In cartoons, it becomes the tiny shadow swimmer. Vaquita, critically endangered porpoise. It has dark rings around its eyes like a panda. It lives only in the Gulf of California. It is the rarest marine mammal in the world. It is shy and hard to see. It eats small fish and squid. In stories, it becomes the precious little guardian of the sea. Commerson's dolphin. It has black and white colors like a panda. It swims quickly in cold southern waters. It loves to leap and spin. It is playful and curious. It eats small fish and crustaceans. In cartoons, it becomes the speedy panda dolphin. Peele's dolphin. It has a dark back and a pale belly. It lives in cold waters around South America. It enjoys riding waves behind boats. It forms small, friendly pods. It eats fish and squid. In stories, it becomes the happy wave surfer. Chilean dolphin. It has a small, round body and a short beak. It lives near coastlines and river mouths. It swims slowly and carefully. It stays close to its family. It is shy around people. In cartoons, it is the gentle coastal friend. Southern right whale dolphin. It has no dorsal fin, giving it a sleek look. It has black and white patterns like a cartoon character. It swims extremely fast. It jumps high in groups. It lives in cold southern waters. In stories, it becomes the smooth, speedy jumper. Northern right whale dolphin. It also has no dorsal fin. It has a long, thin body. It swims in large groups at high speed. It loves cold northern waters. It eats fish and squid. In cartoons, it is the elegant ribbon swimmer. Hourglass dolphin. It has a black and white hourglass shape on its sides. It lives in Antarctic waters. It swims quickly through icy waves. It travels with penguins and seals. It is playful and energetic. In stories, it becomes the excited ice racer. Fraser's dolphin. It has a pink belly and a gray back. It lives in deep tropical waters. It travels in huge pods. It loves to leap in warm waves. It eats squid and fish. In cartoons, it is the joyful tropical leper. Rough-toothed dolphin. It has small bumps on its teeth. It has a long, sleek body. It lives in warm oceans. It is calm and gentle. It swims smoothly with its group. In stories, it becomes the wise, smooth swimmer. Pantropical spotted dolphin. It has spots on its body that increase as it grows. It lives in warm, tropical seas. It jumps high above waves. It forms large, noisy pods. It eats fish and squid. In cartoons, it becomes the spotted star performer. Atlantic spotted dolphin. It has bright spots all over its skin. It lives in the Atlantic Ocean. It is playful and loves to show off. It swims with fast, energetic moves. It makes clicking sounds to talk. In stories, it becomes the ocean's spotted dancer. Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphin. It looks similar to the common bottlenose, but smaller. It lives in warm tropical waters. It plays near coral reefs. It forms small, friendly pods. It communicates with whistles and clicks. In cartoons, it is the curious reef explorer. Melon-headed whale. It has a round head shaped like a melon. It travels in huge pods with hundreds of members. It swims fast and loves deep water. It eats squid and fish. It is shy around humans. In stories, it becomes the friendly melon-headed traveler, pygmy killer whale. It has a dark gray body and a rounded head. It lives in warm, deep oceans. It is shy and rarely seen. It swims in small groups. It eats squid and small fish. In stories, it becomes the tiny but brave deep-sea hero. Short-finned pilot whale. It has a curved forehead and smooth black skin. It lives in warm tropical waters. It forms strong family pods. It dives deep to hunt squid. It communicates with many different clicks. In cartoons, it becomes the loyal family protector. Long-finned pilot whale. It has extra long flippers. It lives in cooler northern and southern oceans. It swims close with its group. It can dive for over 20 minutes. It eats squid and fish. In stories, it becomes the gentle, long-armed guardian. Cuvier's beaked whale. It has a short beak and a rounded body. It makes the deepest dive of any mammal. It swims quietly in deep water. It has scars from squid battles. It eats fish and squid. In cartoons, it is the mysterious deep-diving legend. Blainville's beaked whale. It has a long beak and a curved jaw. It lives in warm, deep oceans. It is shy and stays away from boats. It dives deep to find squid. It swims slowly near the surface between dives. In stories, it becomes the quiet, deep-sea wanderer. Zebra danio. Zebra danios are tiny fish with black and silver stripes. They swim very fast in schools. They live in freshwater streams. These fish are playful and never stop moving. Zebra danios are easy to care for in aquariums. Betta fish. Betta fish have long, flowing fins. They come in many bright colors. Male bettas can be a little aggressive. They breathe air from the water surface. Bettas love showing off their beautiful fins. Discus fish. Discus fish are round and very colorful. They glide slowly through freshwater tanks. They live in warm rivers. Discus fish are calm and gentle. People love them for their bright pattern. Clownfish. It's small and orange with white stripes. It lives among sea anemones. It dances playfully to hide from danger. Blue tang. It's bright blue with a yellow tail. It swims around coral reefs. It loves to nibble tiny algae. Great white shark. It's huge with sharp teeth. It lives in the open ocean. It can smell blood from far away. Dolphin. It's gray and smooth. It lives in groups called pods. It loves to jump and talk through clicks. Octopus. It has 8 long arms. It can change color to hide. It squirts ink when scared. Sea turtle. It has a hard shell. It lives in warm seas. It travels thousands of miles to lay eggs. Starfish. It has 5 arms and no bones. It lives on the ocean floor. It can grow back a lost arm. Jellyfish. It's soft and see-through. It drifts with the waves. Some glow in the dark. Seahorse. It's tiny and shaped like a horse. It holds onto sea plants with its tail. Dads carry the babies. Crab.
Run.
It has a hard shell and 2 claws. It walks sideways on the sand. It hides in holes when waves crash. Lobster. It's red after cooking but dark green in the sea. It has big claws to grab food. It lives under rocks. Stingray. It's flat and smooth. It glides like a flying carpet. It hides in the sand with only its eyes showing. Squid. It has long tentacles. It can shoot ink to escape. It swims fast by squirting water. Whale shark. It's the largest fish in the ocean. It has white spots all over. It eats tiny plankton, not people. Moray eel. It's long like a snake. It hides in coral caves. It peeks out with sharp teeth showing. Sea urchin. It's round and covered in spines. It lives on rocks under the sea. Some glow purple or red. Sea cucumber. It's soft and tube-shaped. It crawls slowly on the ocean floor. It cleans the sea by eating waste. Angelfish. It's bright with stripes and patterns. It lives near coral reefs. It loves to swim in pairs. Parrotfish. It has a beak like a parrot. It bites coral to eat algae. It poops out sand that makes beaches. Swordfish. It has a long, sharp nose. It swims super fast. It uses its sword to hit small fish. Zebra danio. Zebra danios are tiny fish with black and silver stripes. They swim very fast in schools. They live in freshwater streams. These fish are playful and never stop moving. Zebra danios are easy to care for in aquariums. Betta fish. Betta fish have long, flowing fins. They come in many bright colors. Male bettas can be a little aggressive. They breathe air from the water surface. Bettas love showing off their beautiful fins. Discus fish. Discus fish are round and very colorful. They glide slowly through freshwater tanks. They live in warm rivers. Discus fish are calm and gentle. People love them for their bright patterns. Goldfish. Goldfish are orange-red or white and very shiny. They live in ponds and aquariums. Goldfish can recognize people. They like swimming in groups. Goldfish are one of the most popular aquarium animals. Gourami pearl. Pearl gouramis have shiny dotted bodies like pearls. They live in calm, freshwater tanks. Males make bubble nests for babies. They are peaceful and love plants. Pearl gouramis are gentle and graceful swimmers. Rainbow fish. Rainbow fish have bright colors like a rainbow. They live in freshwater rivers and lakes. They swim in schools and love moving together. Rainbow fish are active and playful. Their shiny bodies make aquariums look magical. Cherry shrimp. Cherry shrimp are tiny and bright red. They love hiding in plants. They eat leftover food in aquariums. Cherry shrimp are peaceful and small helpers. They are fun to watch cleaning the tank. Cardinal tetra. Cardinal tetras are tiny with red and blue stripes. They swim together in large schools. They live in calm, fresh water. Their bright colors shine in the aquarium. These fish are playful and lively. Coolie loach. Coolie loaches are long, thin, and snake-like. They live near the bottom of freshwater tanks. They love hiding under rocks and plants. Coolie loaches move quietly but fast. They are funny and curious little swimmers. Plecostomus. Plecostomus are big, flat fish with suction mouths. They stick to the glass and eat algae. They live in freshwater tanks. Plecos are helpful cleaners. They move slowly and keep the aquarium tidy. 8 mystery snail. Mystery snails are round with colorful shells. They live in freshwater tanks and eat leftover food. They are peaceful and slow-moving. Mystery snails are fun to watch. Their shells come in many bright colors. Apple snail. Apple snails are big with round shells. They move slowly on the tank bottom. They eat plants and algae. They are peaceful but need space. Apple snails are gentle giants in aquariums. Malaysian trumpet snail. Malaysian trumpet snails have long spiral shells. They live under sand and soil. They help clean the tank by eating leftover food. They are peaceful and small. Watching them dig is fun. Assassin snail. Assassin snails are small with brown and white shells. They eat unwanted snails in tanks. They are peaceful to other creatures. Assassin snails help keep aquariums safe. They are tiny but mighty cleaners. Sulawesi shrimp. Sulawesi shrimp are colorful and small. They live in freshwater aquariums. They eat leftover food and algae. Sulawesi shrimp are peaceful and active. Their colors make the tank lively. Tiger shrimp. Tiger shrimp are small with striped bodies. They crawl on plants and rocks. They eat leftover food in the tank. Tiger shrimp are peaceful and playful. Watching their stripes move is fun. Blue velvet shrimp. Blue velvet shrimp are tiny and bright blue. They love hiding in plants and moss. They eat algae and leftover food. Blue velvet shrimp are peaceful and fascinating. Their blue color makes them easy to see. Amino crab. Amino crabs are small and brown. They climb rocks and plants in freshwater tanks. They eat leftover food. Amino crabs are peaceful and helpful. They are tiny tank cleaners. Ghost shrimp. Ghost shrimp are see-through and tiny. They crawl around the tank looking for food. They are peaceful and active. Ghost shrimp are fun to watch. You can see their insides because they are transparent. Bamboo crab. Bamboo crabs have fan-like arms. They wave in water. They catch tiny particles for food. They live in tanks with gentle water currents. Bamboo crabs are peaceful and fascinating. They look like little underwater gardeners. Vampire shrimp. Vampire shrimp are tiny and reddish-brown. They crawl on plants and decorations. They eat leftover food in the tank. Vampire shrimp are peaceful and fun to watch. Their color makes them easy to spot. Crystal red shrimp. Crystal red shrimp are small and white with red stripes. They love hiding in moss and plants. They eat algae and leftover food. Crystal red shrimp are peaceful and active. Their red and white colors are beautiful. Bamboo shrimp blue. Blue bamboo shrimp are small with fan-like arms. They wave their arms to catch food. They live in tanks with gentle water currents. Blue bamboo shrimp are peaceful and fascinating. They look like little underwater gardeners. Cardinal shrimp. Cardinal shrimp are tiny and red with white stripes. They crawl on rocks and plants. They eat leftover food in the tank. Cardinal shrimp are peaceful and playful. Their bright colors make the aquarium lively. Fire red shrimp. Fire red shrimp are small and bright red. They hide in plants and moss. They eat algae and leftover food. Fire red shrimp are peaceful and fun to watch. Their glowing red color makes them special. Ghost crab, freshwater. Ghost crabs are small and see-through. They crawl on the tank bottom and rocks. They eat leftover food in freshwater tanks. Ghost crabs are peaceful and active. You can see their body moving inside. A monoghost shrimp. A monoghost shrimp are tiny and transparent. They help clean algae in freshwater tanks. They love hiding in plants and rocks. A monoghost shrimp are peaceful and busy. Watching them move is fascinating. Blue tiger shrimp. Blue tiger shrimp are small with blue and black stripes. They crawl on plants and decorations. They eat leftover food in the tank. Blue tiger shrimp are peaceful and fun to watch. Their colors shine in aquariums. Red rilly shrimp. Red rilly shrimp are small with red and white patterns. They hide in plants and moss. They eat leftover food and algae. Red rilly shrimp are peaceful and playful. Their colors make the tank lively. Crystal black shrimp. Crystal black shrimp are tiny with black and white stripes. They live in freshwater tanks with plants. They eat leftover food and algae. Crystal black shrimp are peaceful and gentle. Their stripes make them beautiful to watch. American bullfrog. American bullfrogs are big and green. They live in ponds and lakes. They make loud croaking sounds. Bullfrogs eat insects and small fish. They can jump very far. African clawed frog. African clawed frogs are gray with flat bodies. They live in ponds and slow rivers. They use their claws to catch food. These frogs can live fully in water. They are fun to watch swim. Poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are small and colorful. They live in rainforests. Their skin is poisonous to predators. They eat tiny insects. Their bright colors warn others to stay away. Red-eyed tree frog. Red-eyed tree frogs are green with red eyes. They live in rainforest trees. They climb well and jump far. They eat insects at night. Their big red eyes scare predators. Axolotl. Axolotls are pink or brown with frilly gills. They live in lakes in Mexico. They can regenerate lost limbs. Axolotls are fully aquatic. They look like little underwater dragons. Fire-bellied toad. Fire-bellied toads are green with orange-red bellies. They live near ponds and streams. They show their bright bellies to warn predators. They eat insects. They are very small and active. European common frog. Common frogs are brown or green. They live in gardens, ponds, and forests. They croak loudly in spring. They eat insects and worms. They can jump high to escape danger. Japanese tree frog. Japanese tree frogs are small and green. They live in forests and rice paddies. They climb plants and trees. They eat insects at night. They are peaceful and easy to spot on leaves. Suriname toad. Suriname toads are flat and brown. They live in slow rivers and ponds. Females carry eggs on their backs. Tadpoles grow from eggs on the mother's skin. They are unusual and fascinating. Glass frog. Glass frogs are tiny and green. Their skin is see-through on the belly. They live in rainforest trees. You can see their organs inside. They eat small insects at night. Dolphin. Dolphins are friendly sea mammals with smiling faces. They use clicks and whistles to talk to each other. Dolphins love to jump and play in the waves. They are very smart and can learn fun tricks. Blue whale. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It can grow longer than 3 school buses. It eats tiny krill by gulping huge mouthfuls of water. Even though it's giant, it's gentle and peaceful. Clownfish. Clownfish are orange with white stripes. They live safely among the stinging arms of sea anemones. The anemones protect them from bigger fish. You might know one named Nemo, great white shark. Great white sharks are strong and powerful swimmers. They have rows of sharp teeth that grow back when lost. These sharks can sense even tiny drops of blood in the water. They are the top hunters of the ocean. Sea turtle. Sea turtles have hard shells and flipper-like arms. They glide gracefully through warm ocean waters. Female turtles crawl onto beaches to lay their eggs. Some turtles travel thousands of miles every year. Octopus. An octopus has 8 soft, flexible arms. It can squirt ink to escape from danger. It changes color and shape to hide from predators. Octopuses are clever and can solve simple puzzles. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have soft, see-through bodies and long tentacles. They move by gently pulsing through the water. Some jellyfish glow beautifully in the dark. They've lived in the ocean for millions of years. Swordfish. Swordfish have long, pointed noses shaped like swords. They use them to cut through schools of smaller fish. Swordfish are fast swimmers that love deep, open waters. They can leap high above the waves. Seahorse. Seahorses have curly tails and tiny horse-like heads. They swim upright, which makes them look very special. The daddy seahorse carries the babies in his pouch. They hold onto sea plants so they don't drift away. Penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly but love to swim. They use their wings like flippers to move fast underwater. Penguins live in cold places with lots of ice and snow. They huddle together to stay warm and cozy. Sea lion. Sea lions have smooth bodies and strong flippers. They are playful and love to bark loudly. These animals can swim fast and rest on sunny rocks. Some even balance balls or clap their flippers in shows. Manta ray. Manta rays are huge and flat like underwater kites. They flap their wide fins like wings as they glide. Mantas eat tiny plankton from the ocean water. They are gentle giants that look like they're flying underwater. Crab. Crabs have hard shells and walk sideways. Some crabs can swim with their back legs shaped like paddles. They use their claws to grab food or defend themselves. Many crabs hide in sand or rocks when danger comes. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and come in many colors. They move slowly along the ocean floor. If one arm breaks, it can grow back again. Even though they're called fish, they don't have gills or fins. Orca killer whale. Orcas are black and white with tall fins. They live in family groups called pods and hunt together. Orcas eat fish, seals, and even whales. They are smart, social, and powerful swimmers. Beluga whale. Beluga whales are white and have smiling faces. They live in icy Arctic waters. Belugas can make many funny sounds to talk to each other. People sometimes call them the canaries of the sea. Manatee. Manatees are gentle, round sea mammals. They move slowly and love to eat seagrass. People call them sea cows. Manatees are peaceful and often swim near warm springs. Walrus. Walruses are big animals with long tusks. They live on ice and in cold northern oceans. They use their tusks to pull themselves out of the water. Walruses love to rest together in large groups. Stingray. Stingrays have flat, diamond-shaped bodies. They hide under sand and flap their fins to swim. They have a stinger on their tail for protection. Stingrays look like they're flying underwater. Narwhal. Narwhals are called the unicorns of the sea. Males have a long, twisty tusk that can grow very long. They live in the cold Arctic Ocean. Narwhals are shy and love to dive deep for fish. Flying fish. Flying fish can leap out of the water and glide through the air. Their fins act like wings. They do this to escape from predators. It looks like they're flying over the waves. Catfish. Catfish have whiskers that look like a cat's. They use them to feel and find food in muddy rivers. They live in lakes, rivers, and ponds. Some can grow very big. Goldfish. Goldfish are small, shiny, and orange. They are popular pets that love to swim in tanks. They can remember faces and feeding times. Goldfish are friendly and peaceful swimmers. Eel. Eels have long, snake-like bodies. They can slither through rocks and coral reefs. Some eels are electric and can give a shock. They live in both freshwater and saltwater. Pufferfish. Pufferfish can puff up into a ball when scared. They have spikes that protect them from enemies. Some are poisonous to eat. They may look cute, but they are tough little swimmers. Salmon. Salmon are strong fish that live in oceans and rivers. They swim upstream to lay their eggs. Young salmon then swim back to the sea. They are great travelers of the fish world. Barracuda. Barracudas are long silver fish with sharp teeth. They can swim very fast to catch smaller fish. They live in warm oceans around the world. Barracudas are bold and speedy hunters. Sea otter. Sea otters have thick fur and love to float on their backs. They use rocks to crack open shellfish. Otters hold hands while they sleep so they don't drift apart. They're some of the cutest swimmers in the ocean. Lobster. Lobsters have hard shells and strong claws. They crawl on the ocean floor looking for food. When scared, they can swim backward by flipping their tails. They hide in rocky homes under the sea. Moray eel. Moray eels live in holes between rocks and coral. They have long, colorful bodies and sharp teeth. They open and close their mouths to help breathe. Moray eels come out at night to hunt for fish. Sea dragon. Sea dragons look like floating seaweed. They are close relatives of seahorses. Their leafy fins help them hide from enemies. They drift gently through ocean waters in Australia. Garfish. Garfish have long, thin bodies and sharp jaws. They can jump out of the water to escape predators. They live near the surface of warm seas. Garfish are fast and shiny like silver needles. Oarfish. Oarfish are super long, ribbon-shaped fish. They can grow longer than a car. They live deep in the ocean and are rarely seen. People once thought they were sea monsters. Lanternfish. Lanternfish have tiny lights on their bodies. They glow in the dark, deep sea. At night, they swim up closer to the surface to eat plankton. Their lights help them hide from predators. River dolphin. River dolphins live in muddy rivers, not in the ocean. They have long noses to find fish in dark water. Their eyes are small, but they use sounds to see. These dolphins are rare and gentle. Tilapia. Tilapia are freshwater fish that live in ponds and lakes. They eat plants and tiny creatures in the water. People raise them for food all over the world. Tilapia are calm and peaceful swimmers. Betta fish. Betta fish are small and brightly colored. Male bettas have long, flowing fins that look like silk. They can breathe air from the surface of the water. Bettas are brave and love to show off their colors. Sturgeon. Sturgeons are ancient fish with bony plates on their backs. They can live for over 100 years. These big fish swim slowly in rivers and lakes. Sturgeons are famous for their eggs called caviar. Axolotl. Axolotls are cute, smiling salamanders from Mexico. They live underwater their whole lives. They can regrow arms, legs, and even parts of their hearts. People call them the smiling fish, even though they're amphibians. Goby fish. Goby fish are tiny and live in coral reefs. Some share homes with shrimp in little burrows. They watch for danger while the shrimp cleans. Gobies are great team players of the sea. Haddock. Haddock are silvery fish that live in cold northern oceans. They have a dark spot on their sides. They swim in groups and eat small sea creatures. Haddock are important food fish for people. Blue whale. It is the biggest animal on Earth. It has smooth blue-gray skin. It swims in deep oceans. It eats tiny krill. Dolphin. It has a curved mouth that looks like a smile. It swims in warm seas. It loves to jump out of the water. It talks with clicks and whistles. Orca. It has black and white skin. It swims in cold and warm oceans. It lives in family groups. It is strong and intelligent. Great white shark. It has sharp teeth and a strong body. It swims in cool coastal waters. It can smell food from far away. It is a top hunter. Sea turtle. It has a hard shell. It swims with long flippers. It lives in oceans but lays eggs on beaches. It can live for many years. Octopus. It has 8 arms. It hides in rocks and coral. It can change color to blend in. It is very smart. Jellyfish. It has a soft bell-shaped body. It floats gently in the water. Some can glow. Its tentacles can sting. Manta ray. It has wide wings that glide underwater. It eats tiny plankton. It swims in warm seas. It looks like it is flying. Clownfish. It is orange with white stripes. It lives inside sea anemones. It is small but brave. It swims around coral reefs. Stingray. It has a flat body and long tail. It hides under sand. It flaps its fins like wings. Some have stingers. Seahorse. It has a curled tail. It swims slowly. It hides in seagrass. The father carries the babies. Penguin. It cannot fly but swims fast. It has a black and white coat. It dives to catch fish. It lives in cold places. Seal. It has smooth fur and flippers. It swims quickly in cold oceans. It rests on rocks. It loves catching fish. Sea lion. It has whiskers and large flippers. It swims fast. It barks loudly. It rests on beaches. Walrus. It has long tusks. It swims in Arctic waters. It uses its tusks to climb ice. It eats shellfish. Humpback whale. It has long fins and a huge tail. It sings underwater songs. It leaps out of the water. It travels far across the sea. Barracuda. It has a long body and sharp teeth. It swims quickly. It likes shiny objects. It hunts small fish. Tuna. It is strong and fast. It swims in open oceans. It travels long distances. It lives in big schools. Flying fish. It has long fins like wings. It glides above the water. It escapes predators by flying. It lives in warm seas. Shrimp. It is small with many legs. It swims near the ocean floor. It cleans other fish. It lives around the world. Lobster. It has big claws. It swims backward quickly. It hides in rocky holes. It grows by shedding its shell. Crab. It has 2 claws and a hard shell. It walks sideways. It swims using back legs. It hides under sand. Sea otter. It floats on its back. It has thick fur. It cracks shells with rocks. It swims in cold waters. Manatee. It has a round body. It swims slowly. It eats seagrass. It is gentle and calm. Dugong. It looks like a manatee. It swims in warm coasts. It eats sea plants. It is called a sea cow. Angelfish. It has colorful stripes. It swims around coral reefs. It moves gracefully. It is popular in aquariums. Parrotfish. It has a beak-like mouth. It bites coral to eat algae. It makes sand from coral. It comes in bright colors. Lionfish. It has long striped fins. It swims slowly but carefully. Its spines are venomous. It looks beautiful and dangerous. Electric eel. It has a long body. It lives in rivers. It can make electricity. It shocks prey in water. Alligator. It swims quietly in swamps. It uses its tail to move fast. It floats with eyes above water. It hides while hunting. Crocodile. It has rough skin. It swims in rivers and coasts. It sneaks up on prey. It can stay underwater long. Hippo. It is huge and heavy. It swims surprisingly well. It spends hours in the water. It holds its breath underwater. Beaver. It has a flat tail. It swims in lakes and rivers. It builds dams. It carries branches through the water. Platypus. It has a duck-like bill. It swims with webbed feet. It lives in rivers. It lays eggs. Frog. It has long legs. It swims with strong kicks. It lives near ponds. It can jump far. Swordfish. It has a sharp, long bill. It swims in deep oceans. It hunts quickly. It is one of the fastest fish. Wahoo. It has a long, striped body. It swims fast in warm seas. It hunts small fish. It is known for strong speed. Grouper. It has a big mouth. It swims slowly near reefs. It waits for prey to come close. It can grow very large. Snapper. It has a colorful body. It lives around coral. It swims in small groups. It eats crabs and shrimp. Surgeonfish. It has a sharp spine near its tail. It swims gracefully in reefs. It eats algae. It comes in bright colors. Butterfly fish. It has thin bodies and bold patterns. It swims in coral reefs. It stays near small holes. It eats tiny worms. Triggerfish. It has tough skin and bright patterns. It swims around coral. It uses strong teeth to break shells. It guards its nest. Rasa. It has long, colorful bodies. It swims in coral reefs. It cleans bigger fish. It eats parasites from their skin. Hogfish. It has a long snout. It swims near reefs. It digs in sand for food. It changes color as it grows. Anglerfish. It has a glowing lure. It swims in the deep sea. It uses the light to catch prey. It looks scary but clever. Viperfish. It has long, sharp teeth. It lives in the dark, deep sea. It glows to attract prey. It swims slowly but strikes fast. Gulper eel. It has a huge mouth. It swims in deep water. It can open its jaws very wide. It eats big meals at once. Oarfish. It has a long, ribbon-like body. It swims deep below the surface. It can grow extremely long. It looks like a sea serpent. Sunfish mola. It has a round, flat body. It swims slowly near the surface. It grows very big. It likes warm water. Remora. It has a suction pad on its head. It sticks to sharks and whales. It rides along for travel. It eats leftover food, cleaner shrimp. It is tiny and bright colored. It lives on coral reefs. It cleans fish by eating parasites. Fish wait in line for cleaning. Horseshoe crab. It has a hard shell and long tail. It swims upside down sometimes. It has been on Earth for millions of years. It lives near shores. Blue crab. It has bright blue claws. It swims with paddle legs. It lives in coastal waters. It hides in seagrass. Tiger shark. It has stripes like a tiger. It swims in warm oceans. It eats many different animals. It is a strong hunter. Nurse shark. It is slow and gentle. It swims near sandy bottoms. It rests during the day. It uses suction to eat food. Lemon shark. It has yellow skin. It swims in shallow, warm water. It lives in groups. It is friendly around divers. Whale shark. It is the largest fish. It swims slowly. It eats tiny plankton. It is gentle and calm. Bamboo shark. It is small and slender. It swims in shallow reefs. It hides during the day. It moves like a snake. Angel shark. It looks flat like a ray. It hides under sand. It jumps up to catch prey. It stays very still. Leopard shark. It has dark spots. It swims near the coast. It likes shallow, sandy areas. It eats crabs and clams. Zebra shark. It has stripes as a baby and spots as an adult. It swims slowly. It rests on the bottom. It lives in coral reefs. Black-tipped shark. It has black-tipped fins. It swims fast in shallow seas. It jumps out of water during hunting. It lives in warm oceans. Porbeagle shark. It has a strong, round body. It swims in cold water. It is fast and powerful. It hunts fish and squid. Frilled shark. It looks like an eel. It swims deep in dark water. It has many tiny teeth. It is very rare to see. Tiger prawn. It has striped legs. It swims near the bottom. It digs in sand. It is food for many animals. Glass shrimp. It has a clear body. It swims near plants. It is almost invisible. It eats tiny particles. Snow crab. It has long legs. It swims slowly. It lives in cold oceans. It hides under rocks. Hermit crab. It lives in empty shells. It crawls and swims when needed. It changes shells as it grows. It protects its soft body. Spider crab. It has long, spindly legs. It swims slowly. It blends in with rocks. It lives in deep and shallow waters. Porcupine fish. It has spikes on its body. It puffs up when scared. It swims slowly. It lives in warm seas.